unboxing from a package I just received from the Lamar brand. So I already know what it is, but I'm about to share with y'all as to what I got. This is what the box looked like. It's all black, and as you see, it has Lamar, the brand, on the box. You see, it comes all nice and packaged in the Lamar white paper. It comes in a nice white dust bag, and it also came with a Lamar card, and it says, "Hi Dreamer, thank you truly for your patience and trusting us during this pre-sale. Lamar began as an idea on adult faith, and I've growing it step by step ever since. As a self-funded brand, your support means more than I could ever fully express. With love and gratitude, Dante Bryson Jr." So this brand is on, I've actually seen him on Instagram, and that's what inspired me to buy his first bag. So I said I was gonna give another bag a test. And it's time for the reveal. You can already see what color it's giving, but I'm gonna finish taking out the package so y'all can see. Isn't she beautiful? Look at that. Ooh, she got the nice handles. She also has the feet at the bottom of the bag, which I absolutely love. Lamar is stitched in silver. I have this in black too, but I'm showing y'all the new pre-sales that he did for this bag a few months ago. So it was definitely worth the wait. This is how big the inside is, which is basically enough space. I've gotten my phone, my wallet, actually both of my phones, my wallets, my lip glosses, and all of that in here, so it is enough space. Oh, this is the bottom. So this is what the inside looked like with the pink inside, if y'all can see. I put it at the bottom right there. It also comes with a strap. You can wear it as a crossbody, over your shoulder. You can pretty much wear it however you want to, and make it the length and long enough however you like it. One thing I do like about this bag, y'all see, this is where the strap goes in the inside, so you're not even seeing, like, you just feeding it through here. Wait, hold on. So you're gonna feed one side through here and the other side through here. And it's gonna snap on the inside, and you have your strap for your bag. So you can wear it on your shoulder. You can do like a little crossbody, or you can just even go without strap, which I have done that with my black one before. But and you can make this part longer. It's adjustable. But isn't she beautiful? I love pink. I saw it and I knew I had to have it. So if you want to get one of these bags, girl, go and check out the Lamar brand. I know he has an Instagram. I'm gonna try to find it and link it, but girl, go check this bag out.